such as Jill Scott.
Hey, what's up, people? This is Jill Scott.
Tony's from Mazwai. G-Force. Tickets now at Ticketmaster. The DSTV.
Good morning, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, and if you are existing, thank you guys so much. If you see this channel for the very first time, please do not leave without subscribing to my channel. And guys, we do not skip ads. Let's not. So guys, I'm at gym. I just dropped the kids off from school, so I decided to be like, let's quickly do 30 minutes of workout because I have new exercises from biokinetics. Those exercises, guys, they deal with the core. Like my core, it's on fire from yesterday. Oh, I am not sitting right, so my neck is straining. Yeah, so my neck is straining and I don't want to do that. The straining of the neck is just so painful. So yeah guys, we have new exercises. It's actually not full-on exercise, it's more kind of stretch before you exercise and use them also to stretch after, and they're so intense. So we've got ourselves a new biokinetics who's gonna help us with them releasing the tensions after gym and after the physio pains and
sometimes it really feels like I lose control. Honestly, I can't even find my home. Cause when you see light, I tend to fade. With city lights and you're in space, and I don't think I'm ever gonna get it right.
Hi guys, so I wanted to say before I rudely interrupted myself or confused myself, lately re di etsa kaofela, ra te interrupta, ra te confusa, like a lot is going on guys, kuningi. But hey, to those who are not aware, our channel is finally monetized. And Joy made us crave for cake, and I'm like, you know what, this is actually the best time to get a cake and indulge on the achievement. Guys, it's been hard on YouTube, and thank you so much to those who have been playing my playlist, to those who have been playing my videos, subscribed and not subscribed, and the ones who are still not subscribed even today. Please, please click that subscribe button and become a member of the family. We are now comfortable to drop more vlogs so we can have long form videos, and we're still gonna be cooking, though we have a cooking channel which is separate from this one, but we're still gonna be cooking all my traditional food, the ones that we love. We're gonna put them here, because why not? We want to get that moolah. So yeah guys, without talking too much, always clicks name and coolies. I love this wafer. If you haven't tried them, please do, especially for people who don't eat bacon. I love the wafers are my thing. So Kana, I'm going to make burgers, and it's for 3 adults. So maybe I'm gonna eat 2, who knows. It's 2 for myself, 2 for auntie, 2 for daddy, and then some apples. I struggle guys, which fruits do you pack for your kids lunchbox? Kansa doesn't like a whole lot of fruits, so apple, orange, it's things that she would eat, right? It's not like it's her favorite, but then mom guilt. Today I felt like being that mom. I bought them some sweets, and yes, I felt like being a mom who will just buy you sweets and onion and garlic powder. I did not get this month end, and my life was not complete. And with the burgers, I am going to use the Ugas beef burgers. These are nice. If you haven't tried them, these are very nice. They are very nice, and I love that they are very thick. And I think there are 6, if not 8, 2, 4. Oh, there are 8. Kaya ke lang.
I would say we were good together. I would say we had fun, but our trails will never run forever. Something else is on your mind, like everything that's good in life always come to an end. We're letting go
the sauce just for the base. I've added mayo and I have added extra peri peri and I've added a little bit of salt. So come over, my husband, the auntie, they love how do you call chili stuff. I don't think this morning. As I said, I'm not gonna go, so I can use them. Okay. That's it. All. Your shampoo. Forget that. Oh, shame. Guys, my husband can't think. Forget that. This is mine. Double cheese and double patty.
I don't wanna fall for you, oh no. But you make it so hard. Watching you dance all night, baby, is making me fall hard. Trying to take a deep breath, but I just can't control my lungs. Ooh. Trying to hide my cold sweat, but I just keep on talking in tongues. It's a funny situation that I got myself into. I can't help my own frustration, 'cause I think I like it. I think I like it. Got nothing to lose. 'Cause I think I like it. Tell me if you like me too. How can you move the way you do? It's making me crazy.